Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Measina. Today we are supporting Samoan businesses by producing a product review. So we purchased a take-home teeth whitening kit from Smile So Bright, and Smile So Bright is owned by Renee Unasa. She is a qualified dental professional, a cosmetic teeth whitening specialist, and she offers take-home kits as well as mobile services. Her products are FDA approved, they're safe, effective, and gentle. So if you want to learn more about Smile So Bright, we leave a link in the description so that you can check her out. So Renee's take-home kit. So it comes in this cute little box. How beautiful is that? So you open it up, you have the user manual, which is important because that's where you're going to get your instructions from. You also have your teeth shade guide. So this can tell you if the product has actually made a difference. So if I put it up to my teeth, I'd say I'm like there, a 6, a 5 or 6, yeah? So I would going to mark that. So it's got a before and then it's got an after, so you can check the difference. So this is good for knowing that the product is working. It has a mouth gel holder. This mouth. So this is the UV light. So put that in. And here are the gel syringes. So these hold the product that are going to whiten our teeth combined with the UV light. So I'm going to try this out over the next 5 days, and I'm going to take some videos, and yes, we're going to see how well it works. Thank you. So today is day 2 of me doing the Smile So Bright teeth whitening kit, and one thing that I noticed from yesterday is that I didn't put enough gel in, and so only half of my teeth went white, and I didn't put any in the bottom. So today I'm going to make sure that I fix that, and here's my day for day 2. So today is day 3 of Smile So Bright whitening trial. Sorry, I look like crap. Yes, first thing in the morning is a bit easier for me to do these than any other time. So I'm still in pajamas, haven't washed my hair, face, and yeah. So yesterday when I tried, I found that I needed to put on a little bit more gel. So today I'm going to add a little bit more gel so it gets into the side and not just the front part. So I'm going to try that today. I will skip the whole video of me doing it because I'm pretty sure that's a bit boring and you've already seen me do it yesterday and the day before. So I will just come back with my final teeth check so you can see exactly what it looks like. So yeah, bye. Okay, so I just finished day 3 of the Smile So Bright, and I just wanted to mention that you should expect to have a lot of saliva in your mouth. So I have so much saliva that it's almost to the point where I just want to spit it out by the end of the 30 minutes. So just know to expect that you will have a lot of saliva during the whitening sessions, and it's normal. Okay. So today is day 3. I will be doing the teeth whitening, and then I will take a picture of the result after the whitening, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. Thanks. So one thing I realized in my intro to today was that I was saying it was day 3. It's actually day 4. And another thing that I forgot, because I was not on my schedule and I didn't do this in the morning, was that I didn't brush my teeth before applying the treatment. So I'm hoping that it doesn't affect the end result. But yes, I did forget to brush the teeth before applying the treatment. So yeah, I think it's still looking pretty good. Tomorrow is the last day, and yeah, looking forward to it. So today is day 5 of my trial Smile So Bright. Yes, so I'm looking forward to it. I will make sure to film the whole process that I go through today, because it is the last day, and I know that a lot of you are excited to see the end result as much as I am. So let's get to brushing my teeth and whitening. So I have finished the whole 5 days of Smile So Bright treatment. Now remember, I started off as a 5 or a 6 over here. So let's see the difference. You can see there is a difference there. So I would say right now, I take it around 1 or 2. So it was completely successful. It was a completely successful treatment. The company again is called Smile So Bright, and the owner is Renee Unasa. So Renee, the details for Renee and Smile So Bright will be down in the description. Yes, make sure to have a look and check them out. Samoan owned business, again supporting Samoan businesses here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. So yes, have a look at Smile So Bright, link in the description. And yeah, I'm really happy with my teeth. They're very white now. Yes, and keep an eye out for more Samoan business reviews and their products, so that you can help support Samoan businesses so that they can continue to grow and flourish. If you really liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. if you would like to support us even more, consider subscribing to our channel and tell us if you know of a salmon business that we should be reviewing by telling us, leaving a comment in the description, so we can make sure to look at their products and see how we can support them. Thank you again for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. Hope you have a great day. So far, so far.